Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I have a couple DIY projects that I'm going to do. So let me go ahead and show you all the stuff that I have here. Now I went ahead and purchased these from Walmart. These are the red roses and they cost me $4.88. And of course these aren't real roses, but I'm going to use these in one of my projects. And then I went ahead and found this over at the dollar spot. I thought this was really cute, this little sweater with the red heart. But of course you can't use it with a coffee cup, so it has to go on a cup or something else you can use this on. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put that on yet. And then over at Walmart you can pick up these little hearts on a stick for 98 cents. And they also come either all red or you can get red with 2 white ones in there. So I went ahead and picked up 2 packs. I might go ahead and use these jars again. I could fill these with those conversational hearts, and then you use these little heart on a stick and you put those in the jars, so that would make a cute little project, and that's really simple and easy to do. And of course these came from the Target dollar spot. And then for my project I'm going to need these round dowels. Now you can get these in a variety pack for different sizes. These came from Walmart for around $1. And then these also came from Target dollar spot. These little wood clips. And I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for, but I just thought these were really cute. And then this is the bucket that I'm going to do my project in. So this came from Target as well for $1.50. And then these styrofoam balls. This is going to be part of what I'm going to use for my project. These, you get 2 of them for $3.97. And then this will be used at the bottom of this little bucket, so the dowel can fit in there. And I'm going to make a Valentine's topiary is what I'm going to make. And then I went ahead and picked up these lights, another pack of these, little red hearts. These also were from the dollar spot over at Target. And then the last thing I have is a jar with a bow that I made. Now I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the jar yet, but these are all the things that I'm going to use for my project. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing that I want to do, I want to cut out a round piece of styrofoam to go in my bucket here. And I've tested it, and if I just cut around the cup here, it'll be the perfect size to fit into my bucket. So let me go ahead and do that. So I went ahead and cut out my styrofoam. Now I want it right here at the ridge because I want to go ahead and use these conversational hearts. And I think this is going to be a really cute idea. I'm going to use these and I'm going to glue them onto the top of the styrofoam, and I'll cover up all the green area. And then for this project, like I said, we're going to do a Valentine's topiary. So you're going to need your dowels, which is going to hold on one of the balls. And then you need your bucket and a styrofoam, and then I'll be using these red roses that I got from Walmart, and then I'll probably be incorporating some of the red hearts. I went ahead and secured my styrofoam with a line of glue around the edges and just pressed that down inside. And then also on the dowel I put a dab of glue at the bottom, and that's holding this down nice and secure and making it straight. I went ahead and cut the stems on my roses. Now these were pretty thin, so I was able to cut these with a pair of scissors and then just bend back the wire. Now if you have some really thick stems, you'll need a wire cutter. And then all you want to do is leave a little bit of length, that way you can poke that into your styrofoam. And then I went ahead and attached the foam ball to my dowel. Now all you have to do is push down on the foam and the dowel will go right in. And then you want to start off your flowers at the very top. I do one on the top. And then you want to work down here at the bottom and around, and then you can fill in with your flowers and your hearts. So I went ahead and added some more flowers, and then I put some of the hearts in there. And you can just randomly put some glitter hearts in there as you like. And then I'm going to go ahead and start gluing my little candy hearts to the foam at the bottom. And then I am going to paint my dowel. I just have to go out in the garage and find a color that I want to use. I went ahead and finished gluing my candy hearts onto my foam. Now I did go out in the garage and found some purple paint, so I think that'll work perfect because some of the little hearts in here are purple. Now all I'm going to do is use a paintbrush and go ahead and paint the dowel purple. So I'm all finished painting the dowel. Now all I have to do is let it dry, and then I'm going to be adding a bow down here at the bottom, just above the candy hearts. And I definitely need to go back to the store and probably pick up about 2 more packages. I need to add some more roses to the bottom and around the back, but this would be a super fun and easy project for the kids to do. Now I'm going to go ahead and start on one more small little project. I have a couple hearts left over, so I'm going to go ahead and use one of the jars, and I'm going to fill it with the candy conversational hearts, and then I'll be adding these little glitter hearts to the top. Adding the hearts to my jar, and I think this is a super easy and fun project to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed all my DIY projects. Now don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, happy decorating!